Standing at the base of Rock-a-hoola Waterpark, or the water tower. And look, they had closed this off so nobody would go in there. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. See where the pillars for the water slide itself would come down and lead right here into this pool. Let's see. I don't know. This is wood. Oh, that's pretty good. Still pretty solid. You see a structure where it's caught on fire. Here's a good good view. This is a platform where they would well, we'd come and start your journey down the water slide. We're gonna go into some of those buildings. There's some taggers over there right now, so we're just trying to stay out of their way. Well, as I approach this tower, I see there was a much easier way to get up here. So, here's the railing right here. Yep. I don't like heights very much, guys, especially with this railing being gone.
Guys,
there's the before this was Rock-a-hoola, it was Lake Dolores Waterpark, and that was the lake right there, what we're looking at, and it is it's completely empty. Yep, we're gonna go see if we can. I'm not gonna break in, but if the door's open, then hey, we're walking in.
Can we go to the next one?
We're not going in that.
Why?
The thing just screams asbestos.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a bathroom. Hello, anybody in here? Homer! Just taking pictures if anybody's in here. Yeah, they really destroyed this.
Taking a shit sniff. Babe.
Hello? I heard something down here. So, turn back. I think that's a good idea. Well, what do you think, guys? Should I go? Yeah, I don't know if somebody's in here, but there's curtains up right there. So we'll respect their privacy. If somebody's in here, we're gonna get out of here. Here's the lazy river, and there's the kid slides. So, I'm sure this was like one of their little souvenir shops. Yeah, it probably was.
Because there has to be stores at water parks.
Yeah.
Back to the car?
No, not yet.
Dad?
Not yet, son. Hey.
Oh, I thought it was glass.
This is a big store.
Yeah.
So there's back there too. Well, this way.
Mm-hmm.
That's a Swiss one.
Yeah.
The tiles.
It's linoleum, but it's like
Like this is kind of in here.
coming up.
It's not really dirty, huh?
Yeah.
It's fresh. Don't step on this stuff. We don't know
It's
what it
fresh.
is.
What do you mean it's fresh?
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah.
I have a picture.
There's a barbecue over here.
Is there?
Oh no, soda machine.
Wait, this was the food place thing, Daddy.
Oh yeah. Little ice chest.
There's ice.
Dad, go. Daddy.
Where you come and get your Dr. Pepper on a hot day. Everybody's scared.
Can't open it.
Jimmy Hoffa's in there.
Open the door.
I have a feeling this is it.
Now these buttons go in there.
I was gonna scare them.
That doesn't.
I thought it was. I was gonna scare you guys.
What?
David Hasselhoff. Right, so David Hasselhoff is in there.
Freedom!
Oh, you know what else? We didn't check out the buildings that are burnt. So we actually have a little bit more to check out. A little bit more than we thought. Well, let's finish this. We already went in there. Take a few pictures and... Oh, caution. Yeah, you don't want to touch that. That's be itchy all day. Ooh, this feel, I'm actually walking on a wall. I was like, wow, this feels really unstable. Yeah, probably some squatters or something trying to stay warm. Probably burnt down or something.
Wanna go in there?
You can still smell the char. And you know what? I'm pretty sure if you guys are watching this, you've seen the chimney house burnt ruins video. You couldn't smell any char there, and this actually burnt several years ago. You don't step in there, guys, because I see nails.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of like a driveway, but lockers? Is that what this says? Okay. All right, what were you gonna say?
Those things are probably for life vests.
Those? They're kind of sporadic. And you know what I think they were? I think they were water fountains. So,
One more time, go
you
in
guys
there.
comment down below. Water fountains or something to hold life vests. What do you guys think? You can still see the giant Coke bottle on the side of the water tower. Bartender, Coors Light, please.